All right, we're gonna be working on some jaw glides. These are exercises to improve motor control, proprioception, and strength in your temporomandibular joint. So first thing you're going to do is just open and close. See if it's symmetrical. You can palpate right here. And you should feel kind of the joint come down and open symmetrically. You may feel that one side gets stuck like that. Kind of maybe this side will stop moving and this side will pop out a little bit. That's what we want to look for, what we want to smooth out. So one of the first exercises you do is just forward and back. Like a little dog with an underbite. The other one is a glide side to side. And here you want to slow down and you want to smooth it out. I say do Tai Chi with your jaw. You want to move slow and controlled through the full range of motion. Most people have never moved their jaw like this before, so it may go. It may be jerky, it may be staccato, and it may be quick and not smooth. So what you want to do is and that means that you have poor motor control. You have a bad or not fully developed motor program for those positions of your joint, and so that's not good. If your arm went like that, you would not. You would be a little concerned. So we're going to work on slowing the jaw down, moving it side to side with control. And you may feel it doesn't go as far one direction versus the other. If it doesn't go far to the left, it means it's usually restricted in the right lateral pterygoid, and the opposite as well. So once you can go forward and back and left and right, you can combine them. You can go all the way to the side and then glide it forward and back. And all the way to the other side and forward and back. It's a little funny, but just bear with me. And then you can push it all the way forward and glide it side to side. And all the way back and side to side. And then make a circle. You should be able to move through the full range of motion with control and strength and stability. And if you can't, that's an area of breakdown and something that you need to work on. You can also use a little bit of tension. So you could press, creating a constant, maybe 5 pounds of pressure that direction. Concentrically and eccentrically contracting this muscle. Or you can use a band. It's a little funny, helps if you have a beard. As you do these exercises and you gain control in these muscles, it'll help balance the tension, it'll help centrate the joint of your jaw, alleviate pain, and the jaw is a really important joint because it gives a ton of information to your brain. It has the highest proportion of mechanoreceptors. So the proprioceptive maps of your jaw compared to the size of this joint are huge compared to something like your elbow, which is a much bigger joint but has a smaller map. So it's very important for balance of the head on the neck and orienting yourself in space, has connections with your pelvis. So these are good exercises to work on. Don't skip them. Give them a try. Let me know what you think.